Hey, what's up, YouTube? In this problem, we have to integrate 1 plus the natural log of x times the sine of x ln x. Let's try to work it out. Solution. So typically in integration problems, you try to make a u substitution. So typically u is what's inside. So in this case, let's try to let u be equal to x ln x. So we'll set u equal to x ln x, because that's inside the sine function. And now we'll take the derivative. So the derivative of u is du. Now the derivative of x ln x, this is a product, so we have to use the product rule. Recall the product rule for two functions says if you have f times g, and you take the derivative, I think of f as the first function and g as the second function. So it's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So that's the derivative of a product. So here the derivative of x is 1 times the natural log of x plus x times the derivative of the second, which is 1 over x. So again, the derivative of x is 1 times the second piece, which is the natural log of x, plus the first, which is x, times the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. Then we put the parentheses here and the dx. Let's rewrite what we have. So this becomes du equals parentheses ln x plus 1 parentheses dx. And that's precisely what we have here, except here it says 1 plus ln x, which is the same thing. I'll go ahead and rewrite it just for clarity. This is 1 plus the natural log of x parentheses dx. And now we're in a really good place because everything matches perfectly, right? This is beautiful. So this is going to be equal to the integral. So this piece here, together with the dx, right, that is our du, right? That's exactly what du is down here, this purple piece, right? Same thing. So this becomes du, and we're left with the sine of u. So when you integrate sine u, you have to think backwards. You have to ask yourself, what's a function whose derivative is sine? Well, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So this should be negative cosine of u plus our constant of integration c. And you can check your work. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. So we already have a negative here, so negative and negative is going to give us a positive. The last thing to do is replace u with what it is. So this is negative cosine of u when u was x ln x. So this is x ln x, parentheses, plus our constant of integration, capital C. And that is the final answer. I hope this problem has helped someone out there who is working on u substitution and on calculus. So until next time, that's it.